In this video tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate some options that are available in Windows Server 2012 to aid users. For some administrators, it's going to be a daily task to create individual user accounts, and there are several ways to create those user accounts. Let's start to make a user with Active Directory Administrative Center. So let's go to Tools here, and then let's see Active Directory Users and Computers. Let's click on this one here, and there is our domain tpoc.kc. That was what I used it. And then here you can see the users container, and you can see here already some built-in user accounts that were created automatically, and now we try to create an individual user account. So let's create it inside this users folder or users container. You can right click here and then click new, and here there's this user. So you can fill in the information first, for example Sean, and last name Smith. User login name, so for example, okay, there's some typos here, say ITH, and here Sean S, for example, just so S. User login name next. Okay, password, let's type in so these are the initial passwords, and then here are options that you can select. User must change password at next login, so we want to enforce users to change passwords the very first time they log on into your domain. Users cannot change password. If this option is applicable to you, select this one. Password never expires. Maybe this is not what we want to select. We want the user to follow the policy and then change password maybe after every 6 months, or depending on what kind of policy we want to enforce, but that will come later on. An account is disabled, so if you want to disable this account, then you can select this option. Otherwise, we just enforce the user to change password at next login when we click next. Here is the summary of what is going to happen: the full name of the user, user login name, and the user must change the password at next login, and we click finish. And you can see here, okay, Johannes Smith, actually that's a typo. I was supposed to create this Johannes Smith or Johnny Smith, but anyways, so a new user has been created using Active Directory Users and Computers. There's one more options, GUI. Let's click Tools, and then here Active Directory Administrative Center, and okay, let's select our domain here again, and let's make it like this. And here, okay, let's select here users one more time. Okay, we are here now, and then on the right hand side you can see administrator reset password, some options for administrators, and just below this users tab, after selecting users you get this new, and then select user. Then we type in information here like the first name, middle name, last name, full name, user UP and login, same account name, password, confirm password, and it gives you more options like protect from accidental deletions. It is recommended to keep this field checked. So when you check this field, when somebody deletes your user account, this particular user account mistakenly, it will warn them that you will have to first uncheck this option if you want to delete this account, so it won't allow them to delete it like you would normally delete an account without this option checked. And then here are password options. Account expires, so you can set the expiration date if you want, for example month, date and year, whatever you want to use. You can also fill in more information about organization and so on, and then once you have filled in all this information you can click OK to create a new user account. So I have demonstrated two methods to create Active Directory user accounts, and you can use one of these options to create user accounts.